Hi everyone, welcome back to another Zano list video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Ethereum completely private using confidential layer. So confidential layer allows you to bridge your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, and many other coins as well onto a privacy environment built on top of the Zano privacy blockchain. So when you bridge your Ethereum, the transactions amounts are hidden and your Ethereum becomes private by default. So to get started, you're going to need to download the Zano wallet, and you can do that at zano.org/downloads. And you can download it on your iPhone, your Android device, Windows, Mac, Linux, basically any system. And once you have synced the Zano wallet, as you can see, my wallet is currently syncing the blockchain, and this can take a few hours depending on your internet connection. As you can see, I already have some wrapped ETHX already in my Zano wallet, and all of these confidential layer assets. So we got Bitcoin X, we got Ethereum X, Bitcoin Cash X, Ton X, and Sonon X. All of these are in your Zano wallet by default. So now I'm going to show you how you can bridge your public transparent Ethereum onto Zano. And it's very simple. So head on over to app.confidentiallayer.com. Then what you need to do is select the token that you want to bridge. So in this case, we're going to be using Ethereum. And then we're going to select the source. So the source is coming from Ethereum. And then destination is going to be Zano, which is the privacy chain, right? And then what we need to do is go back into our Zano wallet and copy the address here. And that will automatically be deposited onto this asset here. Now what we need to do is paste it in. And then the amount I'm going to be using is $50. So I think that's about this amount. So let's do this. And then I'm going to click Bridge. I need to connect my EVM wallet, which as you can see is my MetaMask wallet on the right. And I click Begin, Connect. And then I'm going to select MetaMask here. But there's a bunch of other wallets here as well. Wallet Connect, Brave Wallet, Trust Wallet, and of course, Bitcoin.com wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click MetaMask. And then what I need to do is click Connect on the right-hand screen. Connection successful. Then I just switch by clicking this button here. Then I need to deposit the ETH. And then I can click Confirm in the MetaMask extension. And as you can see, the transaction is now complete. So now I just need to wait for the confirmations, and then I will simply receive the amount into my Zano wallet. So I'll come back to you once this has confirmed. Okay, as you can see, the confirmations are now complete and the withdrawal has been sent. So now I must wait to receive it in my wallet. And there you go. As you can see, I now have received the $50 that I sent from MetaMask on the transparent Ethereum chain to the Zano privacy chain, as you see with it right here. And I can transact and send this to other Zano wallets and pay for things completely private. And then when I'm done and I need to move it back onto Ethereum, I can basically go back to app.confidentiallayer and do the reverse. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.